How come, Talia?
No!
You don't want Santa?
No!
Why? I am. How come?
I love you!
I just came from Glenn's house. I gave all his toys.
You came from Franklin's house, Talia? What's wrong?
There were toys.
Yes, does she have...
No!
Okay, come on, Talia. Let's go forward. Come on. Look! I see Santa! Oh, she's got a Barbie bike! Oh, look what Santa gave you, Talia!
I got a lot of toys for you.
Oh, wow! Look at all those toys for Talia!
Santa brought you a lot of presents.
Oh, Santa's so nice!
Is your name Talia?
Daddy!
Do you want to ride in your new car?
Daddy!
Talia, I think that's your daddy.
Come, Daddy Santa.
Oh, look, Daddy Santa!
Daddy!
Yes, that's Daddy.
Okay, go get your presents.
Oh, boy. See?
Thank you!
Yes.
Get Daddy, get Daddy.
See? Oh, that's nice.
Daddy Santa.
Oh, Daddy Santa.
Santa, Daddy bring all the presents. Go get your presents.
Here, wait, let's take a picture with Santa, Talia.
Take a picture, Mom.
Ready? Let's turn on the light. Oh,
Merry Christmas.
he's nice.
You can send a big kiss.
Ready? Talia?
Give Daddy a
Look.
kiss.
Look at Mom. Ready? One. Say cheese. Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Look, Talia. Put your... Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, Santa, can you hand out Talia's presents to her?
Present.
Yes. That's my daddy.
That's your dad.
That's the man.
No, it's not a man. It's your daddy.
That's my daddy.
Oh, what did Talia get?